back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So today I'm going to be making a pork loin Hawaiian hamburgers for the family, but to my estilo, which I'm going to show you right now. But for now, let's go ahead and spice this thing up. Come on. Okay guys, so the only thing that I'm going to be using for the pork loin is this rub. Okay, so I bought it at Sam's, but I had to cut it in half because it was a huge one. Let me just get the paper out. Okay. I was almost forgetting. We're gonna use a little bit of agave so we can bind the spice to the pork loin, okay? Just rub that in. Don't be afraid to spice it up, to put a lot, okay? So now let's put it in this chingadera, which I don't know what it's called, but you guys get me. Let me just rinse my hands. Okay guys, so I was just informed that this is a rod, so we're just gonna go ahead and put it in the middle, okay? Just part the wood end, get my little screw thing on. Can't see it from that side. Okay. Now we're just gonna wait for my smoker to reach the temperature that I wanted, which is 250, so we can go ahead and put this in, okay? Okay guys, so with our hamburger, we're gonna go ahead and make a pico de gallo. We're gonna use jalapenos, tomate, serrano, white onion, your limon, and a handful of cilantro, along with your salt and olive oil. Okay guys, so I think I said before it's a pork loin hamburger, and I don't know where I'm getting that, but it's a pork loin sandwich, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and cut our fresh pineapple. You can use the canned one, but it's not gonna taste as great. So if it was up to me, I would tell you to use a fresh one, okay? Okay guys, so the pork loin, it's almost ready, so we're gonna go ahead and put our pineapple on the smoker. Let me see, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, just so we can bring out the flavor, okay guys? One for pineapple and 0 for me, guys. We were almost burning down the house. So my father-in-law had to come and help me. because I was freaking out really bad. My heart is just, whew, okay, so we'll be back. Well, I was about to become a divorced woman because I almost burned down the house. But you know what? I need a little drink because that was intense. Okay. So, I mean, it's still gonna work, right? I mean, it's just a little crispy. Nothing bad. Okay. So let's take these out. Hold on. Okay. Okay, let's cut into it. After that accident, I don't need another accident to happen. Okay. Oh! Okay, guys, so let's make our sandwich, but before that, oh, my juices are falling. Let me give it a little taste. If I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm gonna make this for you again. Or maybe just because I got the end. And it's a little burnt. Just being honest. I'm not gonna make it seem like, oh yeah, it's amazing when it's not. But you know what? I'm still gonna go with it. One of these. Before I forget, don't forget to use a Hawaiian hamburger bread, okay? And let's add our pineapple. Let's add our pico. Okay. Now then we cut it in half. So I think this time the pork loin won, so it's 1-0 for me. But I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna make it my, you know what I mean. So de mi casa a su casa, provecho. With the pineapple, the bread, can't even taste the burnt. Provecho.